Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by eliminating the common invisible blockers. Make sure the Samsung TV and your phone/tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network, not a guest or isolated SSID. Once done, update the TV firmware via Settings Support Software Update so Miracast/AirPlay code paths are current. Also turn off phone mobile data and any VPN. These create routing conflicts. Now restart both devices. A quick reboot often clears stale network state, and keep the TV on the screen mirroring page while you proceed. Next, put the TV into discoverable mode. Source screen mirroring or settings connection screen mirroring so it will advertise itself. On Android, use Smart View or Cast/Miracast, and on iPhone, use AirPlay. Choose the TV name that appears. When a pairing code or confirmation prompt pops up, accept it immediately on both the TV and the phone to establish trust. If the device doesn't show, toggle Wi-Fi off/on on the phone and reopen the mirroring menu. Patience here prevents flaky partial connections. Finish by confirming the TV displays your device and audio follows the TV speakers. Adjust volume and orientation on the phone. If mirroring still fails, switch to Wi-Fi direct pairing from Settings Network Wi-Fi Direct to bypass router issues, or connect the TV to Ethernet so discovery works more reliably. As a last troubleshooting tip, reboot the router and disable AP/client isolation in its admin page. Once network isolation is off, retry mirroring. That often resolves otherwise mysterious connection drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.